Are you banging your head against the wall trying to figure out how in the world to increase your credit score? Maybe you've tried time and time again to DIY a credit score fix using your credit cards in the best way possible. Well, stop DIYing and stop scrolling, because this is everything you need to know about credit repair in 1 minute. Credit repair is a process that removes errors on your credit report that are ultimately hurting your credit score. Sounds simple, right? Well, it should be, but creditors aren't always eager to make changes. The process of credit repair includes crafting debt validation letters and goodwill letters to your creditors, plus disputing errors with the credit bureaus. So, how much does credit repair cost? Credit repair is free if you go through the process on your own, but you can also hire a professional credit repair service. A professional credit repair service takes the DIY out of credit repair. They provide a free consultation, and then they'll let you know what your service options are. Lastly, is credit repair legal? Let me out of here! Yes, credit repair is legit, but there are still scams out there, so be careful. If you're looking to get started with credit repair to give your credit score a boost, or maybe you're searching for the perfect trusted partner for a credit repair service, go to creditanddebt.org and give our coaches a call. They'll help guide you in the right direction.